The latest smartphone from Huawei, the Mate 20 Pro, has 3 cameras at the back. At 70,000 rupees, it is one of the most expensive smartphones from the company yet in India and has features like dual edge curved display, water resistance, reverse wireless charging and a 40 megapixel primary camera. But how does it compare with Apple's cheapest smartphone this year, the iPhone XR, that makes do with a single camera and despite that has features like HDR, portrait mode and 4K recording at 60 FPS. You're watching India Today Tech and let's take a look at camera capabilities of these two smartphones. Both phones capture great amount of details and dynamic range in the photos. They are sharp and even around the edges, they are quite nice. But if you pay attention to the sky, it's captured better by the iPhone XR. Even in the foreground, the tree leaves have better rendering and the overall clarity on the photo is better on the iPhone sample. Zooming in, it is clear that iPhone XR captures better details, which is quite surprising. In the next photo you will see iPhone XR takes brighter shot, has more light in the frame, and when you zoom in, you will see the text is also slightly sharper, better depicts the real scene with more accurate light capture and rather more uniform spread of light, with dynamic range and color being much better. But that doesn't always win bread for the iPhone. I mean, shots like this look more vivid on the Mate 20 Pro. They are sharper, have more appealing color tones, and white balance is probably customized for the scene as the iPhone photo has a bluish tinge to it. Mate 20 Pro can detect about 1500 different scenes and customize the settings accordingly thanks to artificial intelligence, and that is probably at work here. Now Mate 20 Pro has a telephoto camera that can capture 5 times the zoom. It takes help of main camera to capture better details and compared to iPhone XR's digitally zoomed photo, it has way better clarity. This is the beauty of triple camera setup on the Huawei phone. You can capture much cleaner shots far away. Moving on to the portrait shots, both phones do a phenomenal job at capturing amazing photos. Both are sharp, have good subject separation to give it a very natural feel, and great amount of light is captured in the scene. Though I found the skin tones to be slightly better captured by the iPhone, the Mate 20 Pro appears to have sharper outlines, which makes for a crisp photo. Although in photos like these, the light is more dramatic on the Mate 20 Pro, it doesn't necessarily make it better. I mean, just look at the iPhone XR shot. The highlights and shadows are so nicely balanced and it does it all with just a puny little single camera at the back. Indoors as well, both phones capture good amount of light and amazing details. In portrait shot, again, object separation is done nicely, but which one's better? It's pretty clear. In low light, iPhone does a phenomenal job again. Probably due to a better dynamic range, the photos appear to be vibrant, brighter than that of the Mate 20 Pro. Shadow areas are also better visible and the overall color reproduction is also a tad better. Zooming in, you will notice iPhone's photo has better contrast and there's better noise control. Mate 20 Pro also has good noise control, but there's no doubt that the iPhone's photo looks better. Another sample shows how iPhone XR is far ahead of Mate 20 Pro in low light scenarios. Both phones capture sharp photo, but the iPhone clearly captures a more vibrant shot. It looks so amazing, feels like it's beyond comparison. Front camera on the iPhone also follows a similar philosophy. It tries to capture natural looking photos and in this case, it also ends up looking better. The face has accurate skin tone, background details are not lost, the photo overall looks more real life. So this was our comparison of the two smartphones. Do let us know which one would you pick in the comment section below. And if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.